Hi. I will show you how to mount and unmount image directly from the server on CCBootCloud. This function only supports VHD format. First of all, right-click the image and click the Mount Image option. Continue with Yes button. Once the image has been mounted, you won't be able to superclient any client with that image assigned. After the changes have been made to the image, right-click the mounted image and click the Unmount Image option. Check the Yes checkbox to save changes. Enter recovery description and click the Unmount button. If you are unable to mount an image, make sure it is booting and working properly. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.